Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play F123 multiplayer. First, launch the game and navigate to the F1 World Hub. From there, select the multiplayer option to access all online racing activities. You'll find various modes, including ranked and unranked races and custom lobbies. Ensure your online profile is set up, including your driver details and preferred car livery, before diving into your first competitive race. F123 offers several exciting multiplayer modes. Ranked races match you with players of similar skill, using a safety rating and a license system to ensure fair competition. Unranked races are perfect for practicing or enjoying a less intense session without impacting your rank. For private events, custom lobbies let you invite up to 21 friends, set specific race conditions, and enjoy tailored racing experiences together. Your safety rating is crucial in F123 multiplayer. A higher rating from A to D places you in cleaner, more competitive lobbies. To improve it, focus on clean driving, avoiding contact with other cars, and staying within track limits. Frequent collisions or cutting corners will result in penalties and a lower safety rating. Drive respectfully to ensure an enjoyable experience for everyone on the track. To excel in F123 multiplayer, consistent practice is key. Spend time in time trial mode to master each circuit and find your optimal racing line. Understanding your car's setup and making small adjustments can shave off crucial tenths of a second. In custom lobbies, clear communication with your teammates can lead to strategic advantages. Remember, smooth and controlled driving often wins races.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.